Today we're making Tomahawk ribeye steaks, reverse seared. Check it out. Alright guys, for this recipe you need 4 ingredients. Number 1, you need your Tomahawk ribeye steak. This one right here is 36 ounces of prime cut ribeye. Number 2, we need a binder. What's a binder? A binder makes our spices stick to the meat. What we're using here today is avocado oil spray. Ingredient number 2, use your favorite rub, use your favorite spices. Today I'm going to use the chupacabra brisket mix. No, it's not brisket, but I really like how this thing tastes. Check it out, chupacabra. And then finally, just for a little bit more texture, I'm going to go add a little bit of Montreal seasoning right on top of that. Let me show you how we do it right now. Alright, so we're going to go with our avocado spray. We're going to put a light mist on top of it. Hit all the sides, hit the other side as well. And once again, this is going to make our spices stick to it. If you don't have the spray, you can use any kind of oil. You can use some mustard, you can use barbecue sauce, whichever one it is you choose. Next, let's do the chupacabra rub. I'm going to put a generous amount. Don't be stingy with it. It's a big piece of meat. You can take it off. There you go. Get all sides, even the edge. And then we're going to pat it down. Sure. Pat it down. Make sure we get these sides. Time. Pat it down. Then once again, we're just going to add a little bit more spice with our Montreal steak seasoning. Flip it over. Check that out. We're gonna put this in the fridge for about 4 hours. Let all the salts bring all the juices out of it. And then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna slow cook it. And then we're gonna seal up all those flavors with a reverse sear. See you in 4 hours. Alright, it's been in the fridge resting for about 4 hours. I have the smoker set on 220 degrees. Let's go ahead and let's smoke it. Alright, now this next part is up to you. Me personally, I like my steak done medium. However, I'm going to smoke it only up to medium rare, which is 140 degrees. We're going to finish the steak off as we sear it on the gas grill, bringing it up to temperature, which is 160 degrees. Alright, it's just about ready. We're going to move it from the smoker over here. Get everything ready. Check it out. Alright, sear. Don't break on me. Do about 2 minutes on each side. Flipping it every minute so we get those nice grill marks. Be back. Let's go ahead and take it off the fire and we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes. Doggy. And look. Get it. Can you get it? Can you get it? Good.